Welcome back to Looking for Lichens with my cat, and today I have my lab partner and she's going to assist me in going over the scientific classification of one of our lichens. So I'm choosing Usnea hirta because I do believe that that is what this is. I really am quite sure. And even if I wasn't sure, it's good to do this. If you find a lichen and you think you know what it is, even if you're somewhat close, go ahead and do the classification because it will really open up the bigger picture for you, and you can see where they change, and it's really fascinating. It's good to get up to speed with the language as well. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is Usnea, and the reason why is, or Usnea hirta specifically. So I knew that it was a fruticose, and I determined that it was Usnea just by, number one, looking at it, but also if you pull apart one of these little strands, there is a white little cord in there, and that's another earmark of Usnea. And then I went into the databases to look for Usneas in my area and what they look like, and there are only a few, and the other ones did not quite look like this. So I determined that these definitely were Usnea, and then the one that was most similar was Usnea hirta. So we'll go through the classification. Kingdom is fungi. They're all fungi. Lichens are categorized by their fungus, even though they have algae partners. Division, Ascomycota. Now, from what I understand, most of them are Ascomycota, although there is Basidiomycota. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. I'm still a beginner, as you can tell. Basidiomycota. And that is really getting interesting because there's a lot of genetics that is circulating around lichens in general. They're showing a lot of stuff. And some of them have two fungal partners. So keep your eye on the different type of fungi that are in lichens and also the genetics. Class, Lecanoromycetes. Order, Lecanorales. Family, Parmeliaceae. I'm sure that's not right. My background is ancient languages, so that might be how a person in ancient Rome may have said this, but certainly not a modern scientist. Probably Parmeliaceae. I think they have the soft C's for sure. Genus Usnea, species Usnea hirta. So when you're doing this, have fun with it. It's a lot of fun, and you can look up the pronunciations, of course, but they're still hard to master. So I hope that this is helpful. Kind of shows the way that scientific classification deals with these lichens. And of course, they may change if they find other fungal partners, or maybe one is more dominant. Genetics is just shedding so much light on this. All right, anyway, I hope that you found this helpful and fun. Thanks for watching.